Here is an emergent AI review. As you can see, emergent AI has advanced controls. You can also connect different AIs on this AI if you want to. So just like the other AI, you can just go ahead and add your prompts right there. So let's say, for example, we are going to add a prompts. Build me a clone of Facebook. And then, just like the other AI, you can just go ahead and click on the arrow button that you can see. So, is it very hard to use? If you're familiar on using AI applications such as ChatGPT and Gemini, this is actually easy for you to use. And the good thing here is you can also go ahead and click on the deployed apps where you can see there the apps that you have been deployed. So now the difference of this on different AI is that here you can build an application by just putting on the prompts that you need. And this can't be done with other AIs.